latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Amid the lockdown, many of us are looking forward to the end of COVID-19 and where people would roam without any fear. Shilpa Shetty took to her Instagram and sent out a message to her fans through a video.
Namaste and a heartfelt hello all the way from Mumbai, India. I know world over we are all feeling a dichotomy of emotions. Me too. I have immense gratitude for all this precious time with my family, but there is still this unsettling anxiety to see the end. Is this the new normal? A lot of unanswered questions, but I do know one thing for sure. There will be light at the end of this dark tunnel. This too shall pass. They say that dreams manifest, so with hope and gratitude in my heart, I look forward to a positive, a better world with lesser suffering.
Shilpa Shetty recited a poem which motivated her and hoped that the poem would inspire her fans too.
I'd like to quote a poem I read that really moved me. It's written by Laura Kelly Fanucci. It goes, "When this is over, may we never again take for granted a handshake with a stranger, full shelves at a store, conversations with neighbors, a crowded theater, Friday night out, the taste of communion, a routine checkup, the school rush, each morning coffee with a friend, the stadium roaring, each deep breath, a boring Tuesday, just life itself. When this ends, may we find that we have become more like the people we wanted to be, we were called to be, and may we stay that way, better, for each other, because of the worst that we have been through."
The actor has been a part of the global gift inspiration and her words have no doubt inspired many of her fans.
I am Shilpa Shetty Kundra. I am a global gifter, and we stand together, humanity inspired. Stay home, stay safe. Atma Namaste.
Taking her words to Instagram, Shilpa Shetty captioned them as, "Dreams to manifest into reality. The world would be a very dark place without a glimmer of hope and a ray of positivity. With the belief that dreams manifest into reality, I dream and hope for a better tomorrow, a world that is free from pain and suffering. I'm extremely thankful to a Global Gift Foundation, Constellation Dreamers, ITP Life for making me a part of such a wonderful initiative. This too shall pass. Please stay home, stay safe. Let's do our bit." The beautiful poem by This Messy Grace. The actor's post received around 5 lakh views and 1,000 plus comments. Meanwhile, we all know that actor Sonu Sood has been doing a great job in helping the migrant workers. Shilpa Shetty also made it a point to praise the empathy of Sonu Sood for the needy amid the lockdown. In her post, Shilpa has called Sonu Sood a superhero for working tirelessly for the frontline workers and the migrant workers. Taking to Instagram, Shilpa Shetty wrote, "Extremely proud of you, Sonu Sood. Selfless efforts must be applauded." The actress also posted a picture of Sonu Sood for her fans to get inspired by him.